Welcome to my channel Car Wassel. Today, we're diving into the rugged and refined world of the 2025 Chevy Silverado, specifically the Off-Road Edition. If you're an off-roading enthusiast or simply love powerful trucks with luxury features, stick around. Let's get into it. The 2025 Chevy Silverado Off-Road Edition is a beast of a truck that blends performance with premium comfort. Let's start with its key specifications. Under the hood, this Silverado packs a punch with a 6.2-liter V8 engine that delivers an impressive 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, it ensures smooth and responsive handling whether you're on the highway or off the beaten path. This truck is designed for serious off-roading. It comes equipped with Multimatic DSSV dampers, providing exceptional stability and control. The Off-Road Edition features a factory-installed 2-inch lift and 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler Duratrac tires, which offer excellent traction and durability on rough terrain. Now, let's talk about the interior, where luxury meets functionality. The cabin is outfitted with premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats with heating and ventilation options, ensuring comfort in all seasons. The Silverado's infotainment system is top-notch, featuring a 13.4-inch touchscreen compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available Bose premium sound system for an immersive audio experience. Safety is paramount, and the Silverado doesn't compromise. It includes advanced safety features like forward collision alert, lane departure warning, and a surround view camera system that provides a 360-degree view, making it easier to navigate tricky off-road situations. Utility is key for any off-road vehicle. The Silverado Off-Road Edition includes multiple tie-downs, a power-up and down tailgate, and ample bed storage. Plus, with a towing capacity of up to 13,300 pounds, you can bring all your gear along for the adventure. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Chevy Silverado Off-Road Edition starts at around $55,000. Depending on additional packages and customizations, the price can go up, but you're investing in a vehicle that's built to perform and endure. So, whether you're tackling tough trails or cruising in style, the 2025 Chevy Silverado Off-Road Edition has got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.